Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to correct pronunciation in ElevenLabs. If you're using ElevenLabs for voice generation and you notice that certain words are being mispronounced, the good news is that you can correct pronunciation directly inside the platform. Whether it's a name, brand, technical term, or foreign word, there are multiple ways to fix pronunciation and make the voice sound natural. One of the most effective solutions is changing the speech model instead of rewriting your text. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and navigate to the text-to-speech section. Select the voice you're currently using and paste a mispronounced word. Generate the audio and listen carefully. Identify exactly what sounds wrong.
Cash?
Now, instead of editing the text, look at the model selector. This is usually located near the voice settings area. Switch from your current model to another available model.
Cache.
For example, if you're using a faster, lower latency model, try switching to a higher quality or multilingual model. Once you change the model, regenerate the exact same text without altering spelling or punctuation.
Cache. Cache.
Listen again carefully. In many cases, you'll immediately notice improved pronunciation clarity. Some models are trained with broader linguistic datasets and handle unusual names, regional accents, and non-English words much better. If the pronunciation improves but still is imperfect, try testing additional available models.
Hyperplasia.
It's important to understand that different models optimize for different priorities.
Hyperplasia.
Speed versus quality, expressiveness versus stability, English only versus multilingual support. After identifying which model produces the best pronunciation, stick with that model for the entire project. Switching models mid-project can create inconsistency in tone and speech patterns. Also, once you settle on a model, avoid adjusting stability or clarity settings too drastically unless necessary. Model consistency is key for long-form content.
Hyperplasia. Hyperplasia.
If changing the model alone resolves the issue, you avoid having to distort text with phonetic spellings, which keeps your script clean and professional. The key takeaway is this: before rewriting text or manually adjusting pronunciation, always test different models first. The mispronunciation might not be your script, it might be the model. If not, you can adjust the punctuation, write the word or sentence in phonetic spelling, or explore voice tuning settings. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.